Hello, violinists. We're going to work on number 4 and number 5 in our book, Sound Innovations, Book 1 for Violin. All right, so on number 4, it shows the letter A. So that's the note A right there. And it shows you where to find it on the staff, which is the second space from the bottom. If we start on the bottom, counting or naming the letters of each space, you've got F, A, C, E, which reminds you of your face, right? And the space's name. So the names of the space reminds you of your face. So we have F would be the bottom one. The second one from the bottom would be A. This is a good one to memorize because that's going to be a tuning note when you become famous in the orchestra. All right. So right now it shows 4 notes in each measure, or 4 beats in each measure. And you've got A. Then you have A, rest, and then 7 more A's. Easy cheesy, right? And then you end with a double bar line, which means to stop. Okay, so let's try that pizzicato first. And I know that some of you were talking about in class that sometimes it hurts to hold this on your chin for a while and you want to practice longer, but it's uncomfortable. So what I do is I take a handkerchief, or you can use a washcloth and just place it right here, and it makes it soft so you can put your chin on that. I do know that they sell different kinds of pillows that have elastic here, so you can just place it on with the elastic and it stays, and it's soft, and you can practice for hours and not have it hurt. Okay, so it's just some ideas. Okay, so you're holding your violin in your left hand, and you're not pressing down any strings with your left hand. Your right hand, even if you're left-handed, you use your right hand, you're going to put your thumb right here and be ready to pluck on the A string, which is the second one from the bottom. All right, so let's go ahead and do number 4, the letter A. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, play. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, rest, 3, rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, rest. Now we're saying the word rest, but in the future you won't have to. It's just to help us remember I need to rest right here. Okay? Now take your bow, and just as a reminder, using your right hand, do the quiet coyote. Open up the coyote's mouth, stick the thumb in the frog's mouth, place your fingers down and the ears down, okay? And there you go, nice and relaxed. Let's go ahead and play A. Place your bow on the A string, and we'll play number 4 together. 1, 2, ready, play. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, rest, 3, rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, rest. Now notice I don't put any fingers down here. This is like a little cradle holding the neck of your violin. All right, so let's look at number 5 now. Resting pizz. That means resting pizzicato. And they call it that because look at all the rests in between the notes. So the first 4 notes are the letter D, which we learned back on number 2. And then there's 4 beats of rest. Then we have 4 beats of A, 4 beats of rest, and 4 beats of D. Okay? And we always, on the 4/4 time signature, we have 4 beats to each measure. It means the quarter note gets the beat. All right? So let's go ahead and get your finger ready. Place your violin under your chin. You need to put a little hanky right here so you can have a nice soft spot for it. And go ahead and pluck the D string first. 1, 2, ready, play. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest, 2, 3, 4. A, 2, 3, 4. Rest, 2, 3, 4. D, 2, 3, 4. And that's it. If you want to practice this at least 5 minutes a day, that would be perfect. I would try and play number 4 4 times and number 5 5 times, just to make it a little interesting each time you practice. And try to practice at least 4 or 5 times a week. I know that your weekends are yours, that you want to have fun, and sometimes you have games that you need to go to, but find a little time And 5 minutes a day can make you sound terrific in every way. All right? As you get older, you'll do more practicing. But for now, I'm just asking for 5. Okay? See you next time. Bye-bye.